Alright, everybody say hello video.
Hello, video.
Alright, students. My name is Miss Jo, as you know, and today we're going to talk about the 5 types of animals. I know you're revising this with Teacher Rob, okay? So, first of all, tell me what's your favorite animal? Okay, Ling. Hamster. Freckle.
Tiger.
Tiger. First side. Rabbit. What about Belle? What do you like? What animal do you like? Snake, okay. The manta ray. What about you, Ming Ming? Do you like cheetah? Elephant? Oh. Don't know. What about, do you like dogs or cats? Cats, nice. Okay, well have a look at these animals and tell me, do you know their names?
Yeah.
African elephants, very good. Okay, and what about this one?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
Cheetah. Panda.
What is this?
Panda.
That's what? Panda. Chinese panda, very good. They come from China. Okay, so we talked about what type of animal. They have babies, they are warm-blooded, same as humans. Pink. Mammals. Okay, so all the blue cards are types of mammals. Okay. What animal is this? This is Pudoy's favorite animal. Okay, Pudoy?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Very good. Okay. And let me see. Can anyone remember what type of condor? Very good. Condominium or condor?
Condor.
Condor. Very good. Not to say it was a condominium though. And what type of animals are these? Have wings. Okay, bang. Birds. Very good. They fly in the sky. They have wings and 2 legs, and they lay eggs. Okay. What about this type of animal? What is this? Fish. Are they dangerous?
Yes.
They can be dangerous. Okay. And what about this?
Stingray.
Stingray. Not a manta ray. It looks the same, but stingray. And what type of animals are these? Okay, for side.
Fish.
Fish. Very good. Can you tell me about fish? Where do they live?
Ocean.
In the ocean, in the water. And how do they breathe? Do you remember? Gills. Very good. And they have fins to do what? Swim. Very good. Okay. I don't like this type of animal. But tell me, what animal is this?
Dragonfly.
And what about this one I like?
Ladybird.
Ladybird. Okay. What type of animals are these? Okay, Ling Ling? Insect. Very good. Okay. And they have 6 legs or 8 legs. Can have 2 sets of wings. Can have 4 sets of wings. And usually creepy crawly as well. Okay. What animal is this? Okay. Can change color. Come on, Fresh. I know you remember. Begins with C.
Chameleon.
Oh, hands up. Look back.
Chameleon.
Chameleon. Everybody? Chameleon.
Chameleon.
Yes, can change colors to hide from predators. And what is this?
Turtle.
Turtle. What type of turtle does anyone remember?
Reptile.
Well, it's a type of reptile. Very good. Galapagos turtle. Very big and very old. Even older than Miss Jo.
Komodo dragon.
Very good. What is this? Komodo dragon. Do you know what country this comes from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Very good. Very close to us. Okay. And Komodo dragons, turtles, and chameleons. What are they? And everybody hands up. What are they? Types of? I think you're not very quiet. What are these? What type of animals? Beginning with R. They have reptiles. Yeah, they have scaly skin. Okay, so you're good. Alright, so are we ready to have a game with the names?
Yeah.
We're going to play bang bang with the animal vocab. Okay, so everybody lift your chair and make a circle, okay? Everybody put your hands. Lift your chair, put it back. Very good. Very good. And make one. Okay. And leave your body. So big circle. Stand back. Very good. Ming Ming.
Hey!
Everybody take. Okay. Please show. Please show. Okay. 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 Not flat. Okay. Panda. One step back. Everybody. Good. Now, so I will call the name of the animal, not your own name, the name of the animal. So if Miss Jo says pufferfish, very good. Bell say bang bang. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Show everybody what you are. Nakwat is a panda. Okay. Elephant. Oh, good. Panda. Oh, sorry, Ming. Pufferfish. Oh, sorry, Belle. Flamingo. Oh, you're down. Not Tuwata. Sorry. Stingray. Oh. Stingray. Oh, sorry. Elephant. There you go. And flamingo. Oh, sorry, the cat. Raccoon. Oh, sorry, not raccoon. Pufferfish. That's okay, you can go ahead, yeah.
ที่3เดี๋ยวแจกกลับบ้านนะคะแล้วคนที่ยังไม่ส่งเบสเลโก้นักประพาแล้วก็เบลไม่ใช่ครูแดนเอาไปส่งครูแดนนะคะไม่มีคะแนนจากช่องนะ
That's okay, no problem. Yes, back to back, here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Alright, very good. Alright, everybody, let's play Do You Love Me with your animal type. So, lift your chair, make a big, big circle. 10, 9, big Too noisy for the video, remember? Can everybody stand up? Stand up and take one step back. And step back. Okay. Now we're going to play Do You
Love me.
For this time, the question is, which type of animal do you
Love.
If you have a blue card, what type of animal are you?
Mammal.
If you have a green card, you are a
Reptile.
reptile. Listen carefully. If you have a yellow card, you are a
Insect.
very good. And if you have an orange card, you are a fish. And if you have a red card, you are a bird. Very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Greco,
Yeah.
which type of animal do you love?
I love mammal.
Mammals? Oh, okay. Now what? Ask anybody. Wanna ask me? Which type of animal do you love? I love reptiles. Go, 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 go. I love birds. Birds, oh no, birds. Oh, okay, Belle, here you go. One more time. So ask anybody, which type of animal do you love? Okay, off we go. Okay, Greco, what do you say? Which type of animal do you love?
I love fish.
Okay, go, 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 go. Oh, all right, everybody, that's all we have time for today. You can sit in my seat. I want to thank you for helping me today with the video. Say bye-bye, video.
Bye.
Okay, and I want you to practice telling me which Which type of, everybody sit down please. Which type of animal that you love? Okay, beginning with M. Have babies, do not lay eggs. Mammal, very good. Which type of animals have wings, 2 legs, feathers? Who do I? Bird. Very good. Which type of animals have 6 to 8 legs, have 2 sets of wings? I don't like them. Insects, they give me the creepy crawlies. I don't like.
What else?
Creepy crawlies, you know when you shiver, when you're scared you get a shiver. And what about, what one did I not mention? Oh yeah, what is the animal that lives by the water? Skinny fish in the water, and the ones that in and out of the water? Reptiles, okay. Everybody, thank you so much. 3, 2, 1.
Stand up, please.
Feet together. Over here.
Please. Daniel, Miss Joe.
Thank you. You can give me back the cards. You can put them here. Yep, on the chair. Thank you. All right, and we'll move the chairs back. Yeah.